Why you must never throw away sprouted garlic. We can easily say that garlic is one of the healthiest foods on the planet. It's loaded with healthy nutrients and it can provide many health benefits. How about sprouted garlic? Have you ever tried one? Well, the bad thing is that most people throw out old garlic once it's grown a bright green shoot. Note, garlic can grow harmful mold if left in the fridge, but you should know that a little sprout actually increases the bulb's nutritional and medicinal profile. Amazing benefits of garlic. As we mentioned before, garlic is a true medicinal gem. Garlic has powerful antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral properties. Many people around the world use garlic to treat and prevent many health problems. The bulb is a reputable and natural way to reduce cholesterol levels, blood pressure, and heart disease risk. It even may boost the immune system and help fight cancer. You should also know that garlic is used to treat infections and non-poisonous snake bites. The medical experts say that this is all possible thanks to allicin, garlic's most famous active compound, and allicin, which lowers levels of tumor necrosis factor A, TNFA, and fights high levels of triglyceride, insulin, uric acid, and glucose in the blood. Allicin can also improve insulin sensitivity in diabetics. How sprouting makes it better. You should know that many restaurants around the world use sprouted seeds, nuts, beans, and grains before serving them to give them a more interesting texture and taste. But sprouting foods can also increase phenolic content and antioxidant activity. A recent study, conducted by the famous Dr. Jongsang Kim, and his colleagues, has discovered that garlic sprouted for 5 days had higher antioxidant activity than fresher, younger bulbs. They also contain different beneficial substances. It was also discovered that extracts from sprouted garlic protected cells from various damaging substances in laboratory studies. Dr. Jongsang Kim said, "Plants are very susceptible to attack from bacteria, viruses, and insects during sprouting. This causes them to produce a variety of chemicals called phytoalexins to defend themselves. Most of these are toxic to microorganisms and insects, but beneficial to human health. Therefore, sprouting may be a useful way to improve the antioxidant potential of garlic." So, what's the bottom line? You should know that eating garlic that has sprouted may even be better than garlic soup. Although you shouldn't completely avoid regular garlic, you can still enjoy its benefits long after it's sprouted. So the next time you a small green shoot, just remember that it still remains edible and that you don't have to throw it away. We really hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you.
See what happens why you eat garlic on an empty stomach for 7 days. Do you eat raw garlic on empty stomach immediately after you wake up? Well, if you do, then you know that this is extremely effective way to prevent and fight against many different health conditions and diseases as well. Many recent studies have shown that consuming raw garlic before eating breakfast or drinking anything will significantly improve the function of your immune system. So here comes the main question: how can eating raw garlic on empty stomach improve your immune system? Well, in this case, bacteria are more exposed to the antibacterial properties of the garlic. Why is so good to eat garlic on empty stomach? So regular consumption of garlic on empty stomach immediately after you wake up will significantly reduce the blood pressure levels, prevent cardiovascular and heart diseases. It will also improve the function of your bladder and it will help you cleanse and improve the function of the liver. While eating raw garlic on empty stomach can also treat many stomach problems including diarrhea. A recent study has confirmed that garlic can also help you with some nerve problems, but only if it's consumed on empty stomach. Garlic and alternative medicine. We can easily say that garlic is one of the most effective and most powerful natural agents used in the alternative medicine. Garlic has the ability to cleanse the entire body from the harmful parasites, worms, prevent diabetes, depression, typhus, and even cancer. And many medical experts have confirmed these findings. Some people are allergic to garlic and they shouldn't eat it raw. They will experience symptoms such as high body temperature or headache. If you are experiencing these types of symptoms after you eat raw garlic, then you should stop consuming it immediately. A recent study has found that garlic can have potential side effects in patients who take prescription medications for HIV and AIDS. So this is why you need to be sure that garlic is safe for you before you start consuming it. Or if you don't like the taste or the awful smell, then you can take some garlic supplements. Other health benefits of garlic. People also use garlic for treating respiratory tract problems. Garlic is extremely useful and beneficial for that, and it can successfully prevent and cure many other diseases such as tuberculosis, asthma, pneumonia, catarrh, bronchitis, chronic bronchial catarrh, lung congestion, and cough. If you want to use garlic for tuberculosis treatment, then you should eat one whole garlic bulb per day. You don't have to eat it all at once, just split it in several portions and consume it throughout the day. If you want to get the best results, you need to consume it raw or lightly roasted in the oven. Or you can also make a delicious sauce. Just mix some garlic with egg yolk and add some vegetable oil. Note: don't boil the mixture because it will lose all its nutrients. Make a special infusion if you need to treat any type of bronchial disease. Ingredients: 7 ounces/200 grams of garlic, 24 ounces/700 grams of brown sugar, 33 ounces/1 liter water. Directions: you need to boil the water together with the garlic and then you need to add the sugar. You should consume 3 tablespoons of this solution every day. Garlic extract is really efficient in treating chronic bronchitis. Ingredients: 5 ounces/40 grams of garlic, 5 ounces/100 milliliter of 90 proof alcohol, 45% alcohol. Directions: first chop the garlic and put it in a bottle. Then pour the alcohol over it and close well. Leave it to sit for 5 days and then you need to strain it. You should consume 1 cup of this homemade remedy every day. You can use the same remedy to treat catarrh and asthma. Just add 20 to 30 drops in glass with hot water. If you can't bear the taste or the smell, just add some mint extract. This powerful vegetable can be also used topically. You can use garlic to make a warm compress and apply it over the abdominal area to relieve cold symptoms. You can also apply it directly on an insect or poisonous animal bite. Or just slice small piece of garlic and apply it on warts. It will help you get rid of them very efficiently. You can also use garlic to relieve toothache. Just simply place a small piece of garlic on the aching tooth. I bet you haven't heard about these garlic uses. You can also use garlic to treat hemorrhoids, constipation and earache. For treating hemorrhoids and constipation, boil some water and add a good amount of garlic. Make sure you keep this infusion in a container because it will allow you to inhale the steam. You should breathe in until the infusion gets cold. For treating earache, you need to squeeze out garlic and apply 1 or 2 drops in the aching ear and your pain will be gone. This is the most important thing: you must consume garlic every day. If you are eating raw garlic, then you probably know the health benefits from it. But if you don't, you need to start immediately. This extremely powerful and beneficial ingredient is the perfect tool for fighting and preventing many diseases and improving your immune system as well. Thanks for watching, and please share this video with your friends and family.